Hey guys, guess what? Today I'm diving into the world of Super Mario with a DIY project that's gonna blow your socks off. I'm gonna build a power block planter box straight out of the iconic video game. Buckle up, because this is gonna be epic. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna sketch out the outline of our power block on a styrofoam board. Then, I'll carefully cut out that famous question mark. You know the one that gives Mario all those cool power-ups? Yeah, that one! Now grab your glue, because it's time to stick that question mark onto our block. And speaking of blocks, let's get to painting this bad boy sunshine yellow. Feels like I'm right in the game already. Boom! Look at that power block shine. But hey, I can't have a power block without those breakable brick blocks, right? Time to whip out the wood and get to cutting. After a quick paint job to get that perfect maroon shade, I'm ready to assemble. And while I'm at it, might as well paint the whole planter box black for that extra Mario vibe. Now comes the fun part, assembling my masterpiece. Glue that question mark, stack those bricks, and voila! I'm almost there. Let's fill her up with some garden sand, level it out. And oh yeah, don't forget those classic green pipes. A little PVC magic and a splash of green paint, and I'm in business. And check it out. I even got some flowers to spruce things up. But hey, who's that? Mario? Maria? Doesn't matter, because this planter box is the real star here. So, what do you think? Pretty awesome, huh? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you want to see more DIY goodness, hit that like button and subscribe for more crafty panda craziness.